Now we're going to look at sentences 30, 31, and 32. These sentences give us examples of what are called correlative conjunctions. These are similar to regular conjunctions, but they come in pairs that work together. They usually connect equal grammatical parts, words, phrases, complements, or clauses. Some of the most common ones are either or, neither nor, both and not only, but also. Sentence 30, not only I, but also you have to kill desu uses the correlative conjunction not only, but also to connect I and you to form a compound subject. The verb is have to kill, and desu is the object. We use this structure to emphasize the part after also. So the speaker in sentence 30 wants to emphasize that you also have to kill desu. Here are two more examples with this structure. Notice that the connected parts are grammatically equal. Her boyfriend gave her not only flowers, but also candy. So for that one, flowers and candy are both nouns. In the next one, we not only went to the water park, but also stayed at the resort. There, the two parts are both predicates. There is one tricky thing about using not only, but also. When it's used to connect two independent clauses, the word order in the first clause changes through a process called inversion. This means that the verb, or the first word in the verb phrase, will come before the subject, but only in the first clause. This may be a little difficult to understand, but the examples should help make it clear. Compare the following. The students were late for class and they forgot their homework. In that sentence, it's the normal English sentence order of subject and then verb. Now let's look at the next one. Not only were the students late for class, but also they forgot their homework. That sentence shows the inverted order. So were comes first and the students comes after it. If the verb is a form of be, or the first word in the verb phrase is a form of be, we only need to change the word order. But for simple present and simple past forms of other verbs, we add do to the verb phrase and place it before the subject. We'll skip those. Sentence 31. They killed not her, but Desu, contains the correlative conjunction not, but. This is often used to correct a misunderstanding or to emphasize a statement. Let's mark the parts. They is the subject, and not her, but Desu is the object. Here's one more example. Jennifer is allergic not to apples, but to bananas. Sentence 32. Neither she nor he killed Desu contains the correlative conjunction neither nor. This is used to form a negative statement. So the meaning of this sentence is the same as she did not kill Desu and he did not kill Desu. Let's mark the parts. Neither she nor he is the subject. Killed is the verb. And Desu is the object. The positive form of this correlative conjunction is both and. Compare them in these two examples. Both David and Linda work in New York. Neither David nor Linda works in New York. Note that when we use neither nor for a subject, the verb will depend on the noun that comes after nor. In the example above, Linda is a third-person singular noun, so we use the third-person singular verb works. As I mentioned before, when a correlative conjunction connects two words or phrases, they are usually of the same type. For example, an adjective will be connected to another adjective, and a noun phrase will be connected to another noun phrase. We worked all night, but we were neither hungry nor tired. So you can see that neither nor connects to adjectives. For the next sentence, both the girl on the bench and the man in the taxi are waiting for Desu. In that sentence, both and is connecting noun phrases. As you can see, correlative conjunctions usually connect the same types of words or phrases, but there is one important exception, and that is the correlative conjunction as A as B. This one is special, and it connects an adjective or adverb with a noun or clause to make a comparison. We will look closer at that one much later in sentence 173.